Hi everyone, today I will talk about agriculture and the importance it has to help reduce poverty and hunger in our days. I will talk about three proposals to decrease poverty and hunger through agriculture. It's sad to hear about hunger and poverty in almost all the countries today and how people die just because they don't have anything to eat. In my country, Guatemala, the 50% of the population lives in poverty. And this just made me think that having a lot of land to produce food to that 50% of the population doesn't mean anything if we don't use that land property to work the land like agricultures. My first proposal is to give that people in need some specific conferences about the crops they need to cultivate in time to survive and feed their families. They need to know the processes from the first one, that is how to prepare the land, to the last one, that is how to reap. They can cultivate crops also in the small portion of lands they have. It will help to decrease the poverty and the hunger in my country too, and in other countries. My second proposal is that we as agricultors can give more jobs to people that doesn't have a good education and doesn't have the opportunity to have good jobs. We need to have good plans of employment in our farms or companies to increase, to have more employments, to offer that population a better life, and as a result, reduce poverty and hunger in our society. My third and last proposal is very important, is that in agriculture we need to produce more amount of food to decrease the price of food in our country. It's also important to export our food produced to different countries, and by doing this we can increase the economy in our country and we can cultivate more land to give jobs to that people in need. Doing this can decrease the poverty, can increase the poverty and hunger of the population today in our countries. We need to think of that and have a plan to help those people.